Today, for the very first time, our geography knowledge will be extending outside of Earth and into the universe. Basically, by the end of this video, I want to be able to put the planets in our solar system in order from smallest to largest. I want to be able to recognize what each planet looks like straight away, and I want to be able to learn the order of the planets from the sun outwards. But to begin with, let's just see if we can click on each of the planets. Alright, Saturn, that is very easy because it's the only one with the big noticeable rings. Mars is the red planet and it's next to Earth. Venus is the one on the other side of Earth, so there we go. Neptune is one of the blue ones, but if I'm honest, I'm not 100% sure which one. I think it's this one though. I was wrong. Alright, we'll learn that for next time. Oh my god, I didn't realize there was a time limit. Jupiter, Mercury, Earth, the Sun, and Uranus. Okay, we got 89% on our very first attempt. Right, we're going to replay and we should nail it this time. Okay, Jupiter is the big fella. Earth is obvious. Venus is this one. Neptune, I think we found out was that one now. Saturn is the one with the rings. Mars is the red planet. Mercury is the teeny fella. And then Uranus is this nice smooth blue fella. And then finally the Sun. Okay, so based on that, I should be able to recognize each of these close-up ones. So that would be... Oh god, is it Jupiter? It's Mars? It was very red for Mars. Don't worry, by the end of this video, we'll have learned everything. So we've learned that is Uranus. Haha, no, it's Neptune. This is not going great. Okay, this one is Jupiter? What is going on? Saturn. Finally, we've got one. Right, this one. Neptune. Go on. It's that one's Uranus. Okay, this one's Earth. They look totally different from the first one. I think that's just the moon. Oh, it's Mercury. Okay, Mercury looks like the moon. Jupiter. That one's Jupiter. That did not go great. You can see why I've decided to film this video today. Let me have another go. Okay, so that is Mars. Yes, here we go. This one is Neptune, I think. Neptune. Go on. Yeah, here we go. Heads in the game now. That one's all smooth. I think that's Uranus then. Oh, it's Venus. That's Saturn. Is that one Uranus? It is. Okay. Then that's obviously Earth. This is not the moon. It's Mercury. Are you ready? Mercury. Yeah, there we go. And then that one's Jupiter. 88% that time. We need to get 100% though, don't we? So Mars for the first one. Followed by Neptune. Followed by... Okay, so that's Venus. And it just doesn't look as yellow as I thought it was. That is obviously Saturn. This one is Uranus. That one is Earth. Followed by Mercury. And finally, we have got Jupiter. 100%. Okay, let's do the next quiz. I'm going to do this one, which should be quite easy, and hopefully I'll be able to remember the order, because at the minute I don't know the order, and I want to learn the order from the sun to the furthest away. Right, so Mercury is closest. I think that's Mercury anyway. And then after Mercury is Venus, followed by Earth. So Earth's the third from the sun. And then Mars is next, followed by Jupiter, followed by Saturn, followed by... Which is which? Uranus? Yeah, and then Neptune further away. Cool. So do you reckon I could do the order now without any prompts? Let's give that a go. So the first planet, it was Mercury, wasn't it? Was it Mercury? Yes. And then the second was Venus, I think. Let me go for that. Third is Earth, and then Mars, and then what? Oh god. What was the fifth one? What was after Mars? Is it Saturn? No, it's not. Is it Jupiter? I think it might be Jupiter, yeah. And then it's Saturn, and then it's Neptune and Uranus, but I think Uranus is first. Uranus, and then Neptune. Okay, good, good, but we didn't nail it. I want to be able to just instantly be able to name any planet and what number they are. Let's do it again, faster. Mercury, followed by Venus, followed by Earth, followed by Mars, followed by... Jupiter, followed by Saturn, followed by Uranus, followed by Neptune. One more time, one more time. Okay, that should be just about locked in. How can I conveniently remember that? I feel like I can remember these first four really easy. Conveniently, 6th and Saturn both start with the same letter, so I should hopefully be able to remember that. But then inconveniently, 7th also begins with an S. Uranus will remember as, like, in the rear. And Neptune's the god of the sea, isn't he? So he's all the way at the back in the bottom of the ocean. Right, okay. So if I get a random number generator set up with 1 to 8, and I click a number, 1, that's Mercury. I want to be able to just instantly do it. So next one, 6th, that's Saturn. 7, that's Uranus. 3 is Mercury, Venus, the Earth. 3's the Earth. 6 is Saturn. 5th is Jupiter. 4th is Mars. 8th is Neptune. 7th is Uranus. 6th is Saturn. 1st is Mercury. 5th is Jupiter. 3rd is Earth. 7th is Uranus. 3rd is Earth. 5th is Jupiter. 1st is Mercury. 7th is Uranus again. 1st is Mercury again. 6th is Saturn. 1st is Mercury. 8th is Neptune. And 1st is Mercury. Okay, that feels somewhat locked in, I'm not gonna lie. Should we confuse ourselves now by trying to learn smallest to largest? Go on then. Okay, first smallest. I think that's Mercury, which is convenient because it's also closest to the sun. The second one is... I don't know. I think it's Venus. Oh, it's not. Well, it looks second smallest on this thing. I guess that's disproportionate. Brilliant news. Okay, looking at this one, it looks like Mars is the second smallest. Okay, Mercury, Mars. Do we want to do Venus next? Yes, followed by Earth. Oh, okay. And then the others, I've no idea. I feel like Jupiter's ginormous, though. I'm going to try Uranus. Oh, it's not. It looks like maybe Neptune is the next smallest. So, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune. I'm going to try Uranus, followed by Saturn, and finally Jupiter is the biggest. Right. Kai, please speed this up. Right, that feels somewhat locked in, so now let's try playing reverse order. So starting with the largest, that would be Jupiter, and then the second largest is it's Saturn, I think, followed by Uranus, followed by Neptune, followed by, oh, it's so confusing backwards, Earth, followed by Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Oh god, here we go. Again, but faster. Largest is Jupiter, followed by Saturn, followed by Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus or Mars? Venus, Mars, and Mercury. God, look at us go. Again. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then Earth. Think about it the other way. It's Venus, isn't it? Then Mars, then Mercury. And now moving back to order from the sun, we have Mercury, we have Venus, followed by Earth, followed by Mars, followed by Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and finally Neptune. Okay, and now let's see if we can still recognize the pictures of them. So that is Mars. This one is Neptune, is it? Are we going with Neptune? I think so. Here we go. Yep. Next is Venus, and then the one after that is Saturn, obviously, and after that we have got Uranus, and go on 3 more. Earth, obviously, followed by Mercury, and the final one would be big old Jupiter, which is also the biggest of the 8 planets. I don't know if you know that or not. So there's so many other things about the planets we could learn. Like, we could try and learn the names of each of the moons on each of these planets as well. Wouldn't that be incredible knowledge to know? So much pointless stuff that I'll never need outside of these videos. Okay, just to make sure that everything is in my head, we're going to quickly do each of these quizzes again as fast as possible to prove that it's all in there. So planets in order of size, starting with the largest. That would be Jupiter, followed by Saturn, followed by Uranus, followed by Neptune, followed by Earth, followed by Venus, followed by Mars, followed by Mercury. And then going the other way, smallest to largest, that would be Mercury, followed by Mars, followed by Venus, followed by Earth, followed by Neptune, followed by Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. Okay. And then order of the planets from the sun, that would be Mercury, followed by Venus, followed by Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and finally Neptune. And then this one's probably going to be a bit too easy, but we may as well do it anyway. Here we go. Mercury is this fella, Neptune is over there, Uranus would be this one, the sun is there, Saturn is there, and Earth is here, and then Venus finally. And then finally we have to identify each of the planets, starting with Mars. This one is Neptune. This one is Venus. This one's Saturn. Nice smooth fella is Uranus. Earth. Mercury looking like a moon. And finally, big fat Jupiter. Okay. I feel like I now finally know the sizes and the order of the 8 planets in our solar system. Let me know what you want to see me learn next. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you've not already. And I'll see you later.